Here's everything new and notable in AI this week, from model launches and upgrades to real impact and debates. Another week, another tidal wave of change in the world of artificial intelligence. It's getting harder to keep up, but the pace of innovation continues to accelerate, bringing a dizzying mix of groundbreaking launches, significant product upgrades, and brewing controversies that demand our attention. This week was no exception, as major players OpenAI, Google, and Amazon rolled out powerful new capabilities that will redefine how we interact with technology. So, what were the biggest moves, the most important breakthroughs, and the controversies that will have lasting impact? Let's break them down. OpenAI captured the spotlight this week with a dual launch that pushes the boundaries of creative AI. The company officially released Sora 2, its next-generation text-to-video model, alongside a revolutionary new feature called Cameo. Sora 2 represents a quantum leap from its predecessor. Show side-by-side comparison. It demonstrates a much deeper understanding of physics and temporal consistency. It can generate videos up to 60 seconds long in cinema-quality resolution, making its output hard to distinguish from professionally shot footage. Early demos show it can maintain character and object identity across multiple shots and complex scenes, something earlier models struggled with. A single prompt can now produce a clip where a character walks through a detailed environment, interacts with objects, and displays consistent emotional expressions. Building on this foundation, OpenAI also introduced Cameo. Cameo lets users insert themselves or custom characters into Sora 2 videos. Imagine a short film where you are the protagonist, or a marketing video where a brand mascot interacts with AI scenes. Cameo democratizes visual effects once reserved for big studios. For marketers, highly engaging, personalized ads at a fraction of the cost. For educators, immersive reenactments and simulations. For Hollywood, an incredible tool and a potential existential threat. But it also intensifies debates around digital likeness, synthetic media, and the future of creative professions. Google announced a massive global expansion of AI mode in Google Search. AI mode rolling out in over 35 new languages and more than 40 new countries, now in over 200 globally, including many across Europe. Millions more people will see AI-generated summaries, conversational follow-ups, and dynamic results at the top of search pages. Amazon unveiled a new generation of Echo devices powered by a re-engineered Alexa AI model. The new Alexa can better understand context, handle complex multi-turn conversations, and maintain a thread of dialogue without the wake word every time. For example, ask Alexa to plan a dinner party, then follow up with related requests without starting over. These moves make sophisticated AI a seamless, indispensable layer in daily products, while raising ongoing privacy and influence concerns as systems become more integrated and data-hungry. While generative media captured the imagination, another perhaps more significant shift was taking place: the rise of agentic AI. This week, both OpenAI and Anthropic made major announcements that moved their models toward autonomous agents. At its DevDay 2025, OpenAI announced that Codex, its AI software engineering agent, is now generally available. OpenAI also launched AgentKit to speed custom agent development. HubSpot used it to enhance Breeze AI. Anthropic released Claude Sonnet 4, boasting agentic capabilities for planning and executing multi-step workflows without constant human intervention. Give it a high-level goal, research competitors, and create a summary presentation, and it breaks it into tasks, executes, verifies, and delivers the report. This represents a critical evolution. Instead of just answering questions or generating text, these models can take initiative and perform work. However, increased autonomy raises questions about control, oversight, and what happens when an AI agent makes a mistake or pursues a goal in an unintended way. Behind all the flashy model launches and software updates lies the foundation of hardware and infrastructure. This week brought key moves. Huawei introduced AI chipsets engineered for edge devices, dramatic power efficiency gains while maintaining impressive performance. More on-device AI reduces latency, saves bandwidth, and enhances privacy, crucial for real-time navigation and voice assistance. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services doubled funding for AI-driven childhood cancer research, accelerating detection, diagnostics, and treatment planning. More funding translates to more compute, more data analysis, and faster progress toward life-saving breakthroughs. Perplexity removed the $200 a month paywall from its AI-powered Comet browser. opening task automation, intelligent search, and a cross-web assistant to everyone. By eliminating cost barriers, Perplexity bets on wider adoption of AI-native browsing, challenging traditional browsers and normalizing AI in daily navigation. The engine of innovation, chips, compute funding, and open access, is running at full throttle. As AI matures, its presence is increasingly felt in real-world settings, from online marketplaces to our schools. eBay granted ChatGPT Enterprise access to 10,000 sellers to draft listings, respond to buyers, and analyze performance metrics. For small business owners, this could save hours, weekly, shifting time towards sourcing and growth. In Austin, Alpha School uses AI-driven software for a focused 2-hour morning instruction block, enabling individualized pacing and mastery. Afternoons center on workshops, life skills, and collaboration, with human guides mentoring rather than lecturing. Proponents hail personalization, critics ask about social-emotional development and the diminishing role of teachers. These deployments bring critical societal questions to the forefront. AI-generated actress Tilly Norwood sparked outrage as agencies considered signing her. SAG-AFTRA condemned the move amid fears for human creativity. In Colorado, parents filed a lawsuit alleging an AI chatbot played a role in their child's suicide, a potential landmark for liability and safeguards with vulnerable users. OpenAI reported disrupting over 40 networks since 2024, blocking attempts tied to authoritarian control, scams, malicious cyber activity, and covert influence. As AI embeds into search and homes, privacy, data governance, and AI-curated information influence become central concerns. These are not side issues, they are central to responsible AI development and deployment. This week was a microcosm of AI, relentless technical progress paired with complex societal challenges. OpenAI's Sora 2 and Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4 show the frontiers of generative media and agentic AI expanding fast. Global rollouts from Google and Amazon aim to make AI ubiquitous. Hardware advances, health research funding, and open access tools fuel momentum. Hollywood's outcry over an AI actress in the Character.AI lawsuit underscore job anxieties and the gravity of safety in human-AI interaction. eBay's enterprise adoption highlights productivity gains, while Alpha School forces a conversation about the future of human interaction in learning. Expect a surge of automation startups powered by AgentKit and Claude Sonnet 4. Faster adaptation in creative industries as Sora 2 realism soars, and intensifying legal and ethical debates. We'll be tracking it all. This was AI Weekly Roundup. See you next week for the latest releases, breakthroughs, and big moves.